Did you know Google doesn't have a monopoly on search? In fact, around 11% of all searches happen outside of Google on platforms like Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and even newer AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rank on those overlooked search engines and tap into billions of search traffic. Let's get straight into it. So why should you care? Isn't everyone just on Google? Well, no. The majority of that 11% of non-Google searches comes from Bing and its ecosystem. Think about this. Bing powers the default search in Microsoft Edge. It fuels the results in DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and even AI search assistants like ChatGPT and Perplexity. So if you want your business to show up in platforms people are now using more and more for their answers, their directions, and their purchases, then you need to understand how Bing works. So let's dive into how to set yourself up, and then we'll explore the key differences between ranking on Google versus ranking on Bing. Firstly, the good news. Bing and Google actually share the same core SEO fundamentals. You'll need to have quality, helpful content. You'll need to have backlinks from reputable sources, a mobile-friendly site, fast page load speed, on-page SEO like keywords in your titles and headings. You'll have to have a crawlable and indexable site structure and strong local SEO signals. So if you're already doing SEO for Google, then you're off to a great start. But now let's talk about where Bing is different and how you can use those differences to your advantage. Before anything else, you'll need to set up Bing Webmaster Tools. It's Bing's version of Google Search Console. Just go to Bing Webmaster Tools website, click Get Started, and log in with your Google account. You can import your site directly from Search Console or add it manually. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that's quite similar to Google's, but with some bonus features that make it even more helpful. For example, Bing Webmaster Tools includes built-in SEO recommendations, keyword research tools, and support for Index Now, which lets you instantly notify Bing when you publish or update your content. If you use Rank Math SEO plugin, Index Now is already integrated into it, so the setup just takes a few clicks. All right, now let's explore the most important differences that make Bing SEO unique and how you can rank fast. First, exact match keywords matter more. Bing still places a strong emphasis on exact match keywords, while Google has moved past this, focusing on search intent and towards semantic search and natural language understanding. Bing rewards literal keyword usage. Here's what you should do. Use your exact target keyword in your title tag, H1, and in the URL. Include it early in your content and naturally throughout the body text. Don't be afraid to use that phrase more than once, but just make sure it's still easily read. Let's say your keyword is emergency plumber in Sydney. Bing will favor content that uses the exact phrase in key places like the title, URL, and the H1. Literal phrasing helps Bing connect your page to the searcher's intent, especially for local and service-based queries. Second, on-page SEO has more weight. It's like the good old days of Google when all you needed to do was put keywords on your page. But no, Bing gives more ranking power to classic on-page SEO elements. If you've slacked off on title tags, meta descriptions, or header structure, now's the time to tighten that one up. Write keyword-rich title tags that are under 60 characters. Use structured headers like H1, H2, H3 that guide readers and include variations of your keyword. Optimize image alt text with descriptive terms and make your meta descriptions click-worthy. Even if they aren't directly influencing your rankings, they can improve click-through rate. Also, use internal links to your related content and make sure all the URL slugs are clean. Don't put in messy parameters or stuff that isn't necessary. Bing also appreciates schema markup, especially for local businesses. You can use plugins like Rank Math, which I prefer, or Yoast to add structured data like local business, FAQs, and breadcrumbs. These can improve your visibility in Bing's results and give context to your content. Thirdly, domain age and trust matter more. So unlike Google, Bing gives noticeable advantages to older domains and established authority. That means a site that's been around for a few years but has fewer links can outrank a newer domain if it's more trusted. If your domain is new, focus on building authority and consistency. You'll want to publish content regularly, avoid frequent domain changes, and maintain a clean backlink profile. Include clear contact information about pages, privacy policies. These are all going to build trust. Be patient, and the longer your site stays active and helpful, the better you'll rank over time. Also, try to get more mentions from trusted, long-standing sites in your industry. Even if they don't link, Bing takes these into account. So in short, Bing rewards stability. So don't treat your website like a side project. Build it like a real brand. The next Bing SEO factor is social media. Unlike Google, Bing has openly stated that social media engagement can impact rankings. This doesn't mean going viral on TikTok is going to launch you to the #1 spot, but consistent social proof helps. So share every new blog post or page on your social medias, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Pinterest. Encourage people to click through, not just like or comment. Add social sharing buttons to your site so visitors can help distribute your content. Just be consistent. Bing's always valuing ongoing social activity, not just one-off bursts. More eyes means more clicks and more engagement data for Bing to see. So social signals add a layer of trust and authority, especially for newer websites looking to build momentum. And finally, user engagement signals matter more. Bing pays extra attention to how users interact with your content, especially metrics like click-through rate, bounce rate, and time on page. If users click and leave quickly, then this is a bad signal to Bing, and it probably means that your content is irrelevant. Write click-worthy title tags and meta descriptions. Use numbers, emotions, and curiosity. You can hook readers with a strong first few sentences and make your opening instantly useful or interesting. You can break content into short sections, add key takeaways, use visuals, bullet points, and strong formatting to keep people scrolling. You'll also want to have related articles to increase time on site and reduce bounce rate. The better your engagement metrics are, the more likely Bing is to push your content higher in the results. So here's the bottom line. Ranking on Bing is much easier than most people think. It's a huge opportunity, especially with AI search tools becoming more mainstream. Set up Bing Webmaster Tools, use Index Now via Rank Math, and optimize your on-page SEO. Focus on engagement, social proof. If you apply these strategies, you're going to tap into a less competitive space and pick up search traffic that your competitors are basically ignoring. So let me know in the comments, are you going to start optimizing for Bing, or have you already been doing it? If this video helped you out, check out this video here on how to get more reviews for your service business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.